Hello everyone and welcome back to the Dork Side. I'm the Dork in the Road, and today I'm about to say a sentence that I have long dreamed about but never thought I would actually get to say. I quit my job so that I can do YouTube full time. I'm the Dork in the Road, and now more than ever I really want to be your internet writing buddy, so please consider subscribing. That's right. I still can't really wrap my head around the fact that this happened, but 2 weeks ago, I walked into my boss's office and formally requested a 1-year leave of absence from my school district job because I am going to try to make my dream of riding motorcycles and making videos and getting paid to do it a reality. Crazy, I know, walking away from a very steady, very secure full-time job with great benefits, but sometimes when you have a dream, you just gotta chase it, and that's what I'm doing, and thankfully I have the support of a very supportive family, and it's time. It's time to chase this dream. It's time to bet on myself and see if I can make this thing happen, and I'm so excited to get started. So the most important thing for me to say right now is thank you. Thank you to all of you for watching videos, for clicking the like button, for leaving comments, for using my affiliate links to Rocky Mountain and Amazon and Motocamp Nerd and places like that. Thank you to those of you who have been patrons and channel members. All of your support has really been what has helped this channel grow to the point where this is even remotely possible, and so I couldn't have done it without all of you, and frankly I won't be able to continue to do it without all of you and your support. So I just want to say sincerely and from the bottom of my heart, thank you for helping build this channel and this community into what it's become. I'm so excited for what it can become now that I don't have to spend 40 hours a week at my job and also try to do this on the side, but instead I can lean into creating the greatest, most interesting, most consistent content possible and continually learning and growing and improving and become a better content creator to make better content for all of you to enjoy. So thank you for your support. I'm so excited about this journey, and I hope you'll continue to support me and continue to use those affiliate links and think about maybe becoming a patron. Watching the videos and clicking the like button and commenting, all that stuff helps the channel grow, which helps me continue to chase this dream. So thank you all very, very much, sincerely. The community is the best part of this whole thing. You might be wondering, because I would be were I on the other side of the camera, how are you going full-time with only 25,000 subs, right? And it's true that I'm not making enough money from my YouTube channel alone to support myself, to replace my income, to keep my family afloat. So what you have to do in order to make money on YouTube is to diversify your income sources. So yes, I get paid anytime an ad plays on a video. I know they're annoying, but I get a little piece of that, and that, you know, supports me in this channel. Anytime you click on those affiliate links, I get a little piece of that. That supports me in this channel, but that's not enough yet. It will be as the channel grows. That's the goal, but to support me. And so I'm super excited to announce that I'm going to be doing some channel management work for our friends at Giant Loop. I'm going to be working with Giant Loop on their YouTube channel, so please, if you wouldn't mind, consider going over there and subscribing to their channel, because you're going to see my face over there. You're going to see videos that I'm creating. I'm going to help them with comment moderation and community posts and all that stuff. So I would be honored if you would consider supporting not only me, but the company that supports me and my work for them by checking out their channel, subscribing, maybe commenting, doing all those things over there. So lots of new cool content coming. I'm going to be adding a lot more content, a lot more consistent, regular content, so please consider jumping over to the Giant Loop channel. And huge thank you to Harold and Dan and everyone else at Giant Loop for being willing to entrust their YouTube channel to me and being such great partners to work with, so I really appreciate them. So that's a huge piece of how this is going to work. And then the other piece that's pretty cool is that I'm actually not fully leaving the school district. I'm going to stay on just super part-time to help my replacement in the transition, so there's going to be a little bit of income there. So those three things combined should be enough to keep me afloat, while hopefully the channel starts to grow a lot faster as I'm able to invest a lot more time into it, since it'll be like what I'm doing all the time. So I'm super excited about that partnership and really excited to see what we can make of it as it progresses. So what does me going full-time mean for the channel? What's going to be different? Well, I think the first and most obvious thing is that there's going to be more content. I'm going to commit to 3 videos a week as much as possible. We've been doing okay so far, so I'm pretty excited about that. It's going to give me the opportunity to create new partnerships. Like, I've just been in conversations with the local motorcycle dealer about maybe getting in and do some more test rides, some more content like that for you. I'm going to be able to do better, longer, and farther away trips because I'll have a lot more flexible schedule. So I'll be able to get out much more farther afield, stop riding the exact same areas all the time, get out and do more camping trips, riding trips, more moto camping, all that stuff. So I'm very excited about those possibilities and all the content that will result from it that hopefully you all will enjoy. Also, and most importantly, there's going to be a happier, less stressed me. So I'll be much more relaxed, much more open to thinking creatively, and be able to continue to interact and work on this channel and work with you, all of you, and interact with all of you. And I'll be a completely, hopefully, different person, because trying to fit it all in a very hectic 40-hour plus a week job has been a struggle. And so really being able to focus on the content and the channel as my primary focus in life will be a whole new ballgame. So I'm very excited for that. It's also going to mean new opportunities, and I don't have anything specifically lined up yet, but things like maybe I can finally get those group rides going that we always talk about, or the big events like the campouts that we've talked about. You know, I'm going to start doing some writing stuff. So in college, I made my living as a writer, writing video game articles, and so I'm going to work with Motocamp Nerd and write some blog posts for him, and maybe expand that a little bit more too. So there'll be more Dork, more diverse Dork. It's going to give me opportunities to attend more events. Like the Giant Loop Rally was fantastic, and maybe I can hit up things like Tour Attack or other rallies that are going on and participate in those. So it's going to just really open doors and lead to a bunch more interesting content and also other products. Just a lot more opportunities and avenues, which is going to lead to hopefully more content and engagement for you guys, for the audience, because that's the whole point. All of you are the point. This doesn't happen without you. So again, sincerely, thank you all very much. Questions I get, one of the biggest one is, what about health insurance? Well, my wife, who, like I said, is very supportive, will continue to work her job, and so she'll have insurance and all those things will be covered, and hopefully as the channel grows, the hope is that eventually she'll be able to come on board and help with the back end stuff, do the bookkeeping pieces and help me with some of those other things, and she won't have to keep working her job either. But that's way down the road. That's the next big dream, and I would say that's impossible and will never happen, but I used to say this was impossible and never happened, and here we are. I gave a speech at the Giant Loop Ride about chasing your dreams and not being afraid to take that step outside your comfort zone, and I just really feel like this is scary, and you know, there's a lot of unknowns, but you gotta sometimes just take that first step, because you never know where it'll lead. And things have just opened up and changed. This all kind of started at that Giant Loop Ride, which was the first rally I'd ever been to, and it just, you start to see new possibilities and ideas, and sometimes you just gotta be brave enough to grab a hold of those possibilities, to chase those possibilities, to ask for what you want, and then accept the consequences. Sometimes they're good and sometimes they're terrifying, but I couldn't be more excited about this journey. I couldn't be more thankful for all of the support I've gotten from all of you. And I hope that you'll support me and continue to support me and my family as we try to make this thing come true, because really what I'm doing all this for you guys. I want to create more and awesomer content for all of you and continue to be an ambassador and encourage people to join this hobby, this sport, this activity that we all love, and just get out and have adventures of their own. So looking forward to this next era. I'm just super stoked and excited, and I hope that you guys are too. Please consider going over to Giant Loop's channel and giving them a subscribe, and keep an eye out there for more content coming that I'll be helping with. I don't know, I've said thank you 45 times, but I couldn't be more appreciative, so thank you very much. I appreciate you, and please, now more than ever, do not forget to be excellent to each other. Thank you. Excellent! Ever just take a second and look at the path you just walked and go, what have I done? I'm having a lot of those moments lately. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Probably gonna be good. It's gonna be good, right? Right?